Hey, this is Gopi Krishna, UR16CS075, and this is Data Structures Lab experiment number 5, that is implementation of a singly linked list. Now we begin our program using hash include iostream using namespace std. Then we create a structure of name node, and we declare an integer data type, that is int data. Then we declare a pointer, that is node star link. Now we close the struct, and we declare certain pointers, that is node star head is equal to 0, node star tail. Now we declare our functions, that is first one is int add at beginning, that is to add a node at the beginning of the linked list. Now node star temp is equal to new node. Now cout, enter the value to be inserted in the list, that is int d. We declare integer data type integer variable d, and we take the value from the user. Now if head is equal to 0, that is if the linked list is empty, we do node star temp is equal to new node, temp dot data is equal to d, and temp dot link is equal to null, and head is equal to temp, and we give the cout statement as value added at beginning. So what happens is a new linked list is created which has a pointer pointing to the first node, and it contains only one node. Else node star temp equal to new node, temp dot data equal to d, temp dot link equal to head, and head is equal to temp. Now cout value added at beginning. Now this else case happens when that linked list is not empty, therefore the head has now first has to be pointed towards a new node, and the new node is pointed to the previous first node. Now void add at end, that is to add a node at the end of the linked list. Node star temp is equal to new node. Enter the value to be inserted into the linked list. In d we take the value from the user. Now temp dot data equal to d, temp dot link is equal to null. Now if head is equal to null, that is if the linked list is empty, head is equal to temp. Cout linked list is empty, so value added at beginning. Now this happens when the linked list is empty and it has no nodes. The new node which is being added is added at the first position, that is it is the first and the last node. Now else node star temp 2 equal to new node, temp 2 equal to head. Now why temp dot link not equal to null? So this while loop while condition checks till the node where it is not null. Now temp 2 equal to temp 2 dot link, temp 2 dot link is equal to temp. Now cout value added at end. Now the display function void display node star temp equal to new node, temp is equal to head. Now if temp not equal to null, that is it checks until the last node. While temp not equal to 0, cout temp dot data, temp equal to temp dot link. Now this goes until the last node of the linked list is reached, else the list is empty. Now this condition occurs when the if condition is not able to find any node in the linked list. Now end add at position, enter the position. Now we give cout station enter the position to enter the new node. We take the position from the user, enter the value to be inserted into the linked list. We again take this value from the user. End count equal to 1, we declare a new variable count. Now node star temp is equal to new node, temp is equal to head. While temp not equal to null, this is to check until the last node of the list, that is until the end of the list is reached. If count equal to p, that is p is the position that is desired by the user. Now node star temp equal to new node, temp dot data equal to d, temp dot link equal to temp dot link, and temp dot link equal to temp 1. Now cout value at position, the value is added at the desired position. Now the delete functions. Now delete by value. Now node star temp and node star temp 2 are 2 pointers. Now temp equal to new node, temp 2 equal to new node, temp is equal to head. Enter the value to be deleted from the linked list. We enter the value of the node which is to be deleted from the linked list. And we take this value from the user. If temp equal to null, that is there are no nodes in the linked list, it will return that the linked list is empty. Now if temp dot link is equal to null, int d temp dot data head equal to temp dot link, then we delete it by using the keyword delete temp, and it is deleted. Now this function is for delete at position. Node star temp 1 and temp 2 3 pointers, temp equal to new node, temp 1 equal to new node, temp 2 equal to new node. Temp is equal to head, temp 1 is equal to head, end count is equal to 0, and then we again initialize integer variable count is equal to 0, while temp not equal to null, that is until the end of the list is reached. Cout count. Now enter the position of the node to be deleted. We take this the value from the user, and count is equal to 1, while temp not equal to null. If count 2 plus 1 is equal to p, that is the desired position. Now temp2 equal to temp.link, it is stored in a temporary variable. Temp1.link equal to temp2.link, and we delete the previous node using the keyword delete temp. Now we open the main function, int main, while the 1. Now this is an infinite while loop, that is it is executed infinite times. See out, select an option, that is 1 for added beginning, 2 at added end, 3 at added position, 4 delete by position, and 5 display. Then we use a switch case to call these functions according to our choice. Now let's run this program. Let's do add at beginning. Let's add 25. Let's again add 1 and add 65. Now let's add at end 2 and we add 89. Now we'll see the elements in the linked list, that is 5 display. You can see that 65, 25, 89 which is added at the end. Now we'll add at position, we'll take 3. Position to be entered is 1, that is add at beginning. Enter the value, let's enter 45. Now we'll display again. You can see that it is inserted at the first position, 65, 45, 25 and 89. Now let's delete a node 4th, and it's gonna enter the position of the node to be deleted 4. As we can see that the 4th node, that is 89, has been deleted. Therefore our code runs successfully and we have created a program for implementation of linked list. Thank you.